If you want people to spend money on you, then you need to do this recipe. Okay, if you want people like your auntie, your uncle, your cousins, anyone at all to spend money on you, you need to do this recipe. Okay, being it a man, being it a woman, they will spend their money on you. If you have rich uncles, rich aunties that are not giving you money, that are not spending money on you, but you really want them to help, you really want them to start spending money on you, you need to do this recipe. Okay, so if you're coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. Please do well to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Okay, so in this video I will introduce to you the item that you need to carry out this spiritual assignment. Okay, the few items that you use to carry out this spiritual assignment. Okay, so make sure that you watch this video to the end as I review to you the items that you use to do the assignment and how you can use it. Okay, so keep watching this. Welcome back. So the few items that you need to use to carry out these spiritual assignments are these. Number one is alligator pepper. Okay, this is a very powerful spiritual item for people that know it. Okay, it is used to do a lot of spiritual work. Okay, so you need to get alligator pepper. Okay, and the second thing is a white pepper. Okay, spiritual white pepper, not like any other white pepper. Okay, I will show you. Okay, in this video, the spiritual white pepper, you need to get one. Okay, and you need to get this leaf. This is called bush cane or opete, anyone like you call it. Okay, people normally call it opete. The English name is bush cane. Okay, so that is the three items that you need to get. Okay, if you have rich uncle, rich aunties, rich sisters, people that are close to you that are rich, but they are not helping you. Even when you ask, they are not helping you. You need to do this for them to start spending money on you, because this will control their mind and channel their face towards you. Okay, and they will start spending money on you. They will start taking care of your needs. It's very, very important. Okay, there is this proverb that says that so if you have rich uncles and rich aunties, do this spiritual assignment for them to start spending money on you. It's very, very important. Okay, so once you have gotten all these three items, now let me show you how you are going to do it. You need to pluck out one of that leaf. Okay, you need to pluck out one of that bush cane, the leaf, or whichever one you call it. Okay, just pluck out one, and you are going to bring out 7 seed from the alligator pepper. 7 seed. That 7 seed represent the 7 days of the week. Okay, you bring out 7. Now this spiritual pepper, look at it. Okay, this spiritual pepper, now you're going to write the name of that person on the spiritual paper 7 times. Okay, you are going to write the name of that person on the spiritual paper 7 good times. Now once you have written the name of that person on the paper, you are going to pour that alligator pepper, the 7th seed. You are going to pour it on that pepper, as you can see in this video. Okay, you pour it on that pepper, then you wrap it up together. Okay, you wrap it up together like this. Okay, now after wrapping it up together, you are going to open that leaf. Okay, you're going to open that opete, that bush candy leaf. You place it inside the leaf. Okay, you place it and you close it together with the leaf. Okay, you close it together with the leaf. Look for anything rope. Okay, it can be white rope, it can be black, it can be anything rope that you can use to tie that leaf. Okay, tie the leaf and keep it under your bed. Okay, so that only you will have access to it. Okay, keep it under your bed. Okay, once you have done this, it will be the only thing that will be coming into their mind. Okay, they will be taking care of your needs, your problems. They will be solving it for you if you can be able to do this. Okay, this spiritual assignment, you're only going to do it once. Okay, but make sure you get 7 seed of alligator pepper. Okay, and write their name 7 times. Okay, just do it once, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, anytime that you feel that you can do it. just do it, but make sure you do it once and make sure you tie that items up and keep it under your bed. Okay, this will make anybody that is inside your life that is supposed to help you. Okay, if you have rich aunties, rich uncles, rich relatives, boyfriend and girlfriend that are rich, but they are not spending on you, they are not taking care of your needs, just do this assignment and you'll be all they will be thinking of. Okay, so do this and don't forget to share a testimony. If you have any question that you want to ask, you can use the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.